So first I will explain about the national symbols, other national symbols. Now look at the screen. What is this? This is tiger. What is this? This is tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger is India's national animal. And second national symbol is peacock. National bird is peacock. I think all of you have seen the national peacock. This is called national bird. Now, third symbol is national flower. What is our national flower? Lotus. What is our national flower? Lotus. Okay? So now we will read about our national symbols. Put your finger. Other national symbols. India's national animal is the tiger. India's national animal is tiger. India's national bird is the peacock. It has beautiful and colorful feathers. These are called feathers. Feathers means punk. What is the meaning of feathers? Punk. Wings. Okay? Now, India's national flower is the lotus. It grows in water. So now first you tell me the answers. Which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? Tiger. Our national bird? Peacock. And our national flower? Lotus. And lotus grows in water. Okay? Now, India's national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. We sing our national anthem on important national days. We should stand in attention when we are sing our national anthem. National anthem means in Hindi we call Rashtra Gan. And our national anthem is Jana Gana Man. Every day we are singing national anthem in the assembly. And in some national days, national festivals, we always sing Jana Gan Man. While singing national anthem, don't move here and there. Don't look here and there. How we should stand? Straight. While saying national anthem, we should stand straight in attention position. Okay? I think all of you understood. Now, what is our national anthem? Jana Gana Man. What we will do during national anthem? Stand in attention position. Stand in attention position. Okay, students? Now, I think all of you understood this page about the national symbols. There are many national symbols. One is our national flag. Second is national animal. Third is national bird. Fourth is national flower. And in last we read about the national anthem. Okay, now open page number 177. Now we will read about national festivals, national days. We will read about national festivals, national days. There are 3 national festivals. How many national festivals? 3. First one is Republic Day. Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. When we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. And our second national festival is Independence Day. In next month, in the month of August 15th, we will celebrate our Independence Day at the Red Fort in New Delhi. This is the picture of Red Fort, where our Prime Minister hosts the national flag. Okay, now our third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Which one is our national festival? Gandhi Jayanti. Students, do you know when Gandhiji was born? Gandhiji was born on 22nd October. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. Where Gandhiji was born? In Gujarat. Okay? These are our 3 national symbols, national festivals. These are our 3 national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Now let's read about our national important days. There are 3 important national days that are celebrated by all Indians. These national festivals we all Indians celebrate together. Our first national festival is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. The national flag is hosted in schools, colleges, and office buildings. A grand parade is organized in New Delhi. When we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. When we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. Okay? So now, next, Independence Day. Next one is Independence Day. Is celebrated on 15th August. The Prime Minister of the country gives a speech to the nation from Delhi's Red Fort. The national flag is hosted at the Red Fort and other important buildings. Students, when we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. On 15th August. Who hosts the national flag at the Red Fort? Our Prime Minister. And now, who is our Prime Minister? Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, who is our Prime Minister? Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, next one is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. When Gandhiji was born? 2nd October. When Gandhiji was born? On 2nd October. Why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti because on this day, Gandhiji was born. Born means पैदा होना. Because on 2nd October, Gandhiji was born. That's why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. And Gandhiji is called father of the nation also. Gandhiji is called father of the nation also. Now in short, I am going to explain about our country. The name of our country is India. We are living in India, that's why we all are called Indians. There are many national symbols. National flag, national animal is tiger, national bird, peacock, national flower, lotus. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Man. 3 national festivals, 3 important days. We all Indians celebrate together. Republic Day, we celebrate on 26th January. Independence Day on 15th August and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Students, now I am giving you some work. Read this lesson carefully. Thank you and have a nice day.